my channel fitriineurope, where I show you bits of my everyday life as Indonesian living in Sweden, and I will also bring you on my trips around Europe and the rest of the world. In today's video, I'm going to show you the beauty of my hometown. First stop is the locks of Vänersborg. Vänersborg is situated at the south tip of Lake Vänen and about 1 hour north of Gothenburg. My town is home to only about 25,000 people and is called Little Paris. Why Little Paris, you may wonder? After the big city fire in 1834, Plantation was built with inspiration from boulevards in Paris. Let me show you one of my favorite spots of the town. Behind me, you can see the beautiful part of Scotland. Vänersborg, like most other small towns, are sleepy during the winter. But in the summer, people gather at Sanden for music festival, Tivoli, and more fun. Next stop, Sanden. If you like this kind of videos, please like and subscribe for more. Hopefully, I see you again soon. Bye bye!